Prelude.
Oh, may Prelude. Kyosho Prelude.
Okay, sige.
My trainer. Flame. For 4 years now.
Still working, ha?
Still working nicely.
Sige. Okay, very good. Nice. Grabe ah. Hindi ko makita.
Ah, ganon?
Kasi ah. Kaya mo touch and go?
Oh, yeah. Bilis, no?
Bilis ah.
For a three, kasi yung niya, propeller, medyo nakat eh. Kaya medyo
bumilis?
bumilis, oh.
Oh, dead? Dead stick ba yan?
Hindi. Yung dalawa, lipat muna dito ako.
Wow! Oh, touch and go pala yan ha?
Touch and go. Kyosho Prelude.
Prelude. 15 size.
15 size.
Oh, sige, another
Very
touch.
stable.
Another touch and go.
Another touch and go.
Kala ko sasampling sa poste. Okay ah.
Let's try the loop. Oh.
Okay.
Oy. Disorientation.
Oo nga eh.
No?
Walang disorient na. Do not face the sun. Yan.
Mabilis kasi siya eh.
Hindi kasi manipis yung pakpak eh.
Saka yung propeller medyo Di ba flyby ko ah?
Si flyby mo, malaya mababa na.
Kyosho Prelude.
Nako, you have only less than 1 minute for video.
The Kyosho Prelude is not anymore in production.
Because face out model.
Face out model na yan eh. I bought this since I was 13.
Oh, talaga? You're 13 years old?
I'm 34 right now.
Talaga? It's more than 20 years?
Yes.
So this plane is more than 20 years old?
Yes.
Talaga?
Oo.
Wala, bus na.